Hi friends, it's Aya here. Welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to join the Altenew Hub today for the Altenew Educators Frosty Splendor Video Hub. Altenew is giving away some fun prizes, $20 gift certificates for 3 lucky winners and 15 gift certificates for 4 more. All the details will be in the description box below. Today I'm working with the Altenew Snowy Delight stencil and stamp. I have got my waffle flower sticky mat and a dark A2 panel ready to go. The stencil set includes 2 stencils, one for the snowman and snowflakes and the other for the trees. My plan was to use Altenew paste for the snow and try out a white embossing powder for a different texture on the snowman. However, things took an unexpected turn. At first, I accidentally used clear powder instead of white, so I went back with Versamark to add white embossing powder. After heat setting, I discovered it was actually holographic powder. My guess is that someone, my little helper, mixed up white embossing powder with another one. I almost scrapped the panel and thought about starting over, but then I realized why not show the behind the scenes for creating a card. It's not always a smooth ride and little oops moment happen. So I decided to cover the snowman with white paste and move on. For the second stencil, I used tonic green paste for the trees, and once everything dried, I stamped the snowman details like the hands and button in a black ink, and I used color pencils for the accessories. And for finishing touch, I added liquid pearls for the buttons. Moving on to the second card, I die cut a panel using a stitch rectangle die and pattern paper. The idea was to stamp all the snowmen together in a line. Sounds easy, right? Well, I decided to skip the misty and try my luck with a regular stamp look. Let's just say it didn't go as planned, so I went back, used my misty like a good crafter, and voila, perfect stamping. Then I wanted to add some snowflakes but couldn't find my mini blocks, so I just used my finger to press the stamp down. As you can see, there were plenty of little challenges in making these 2 cards, but it was all part of the fun. The whole experience reminded me that perfection is not necessary for creating something beautiful. If I hadn't shared all these misshapes, you would only see the polished final designs. Anyway, back to the cards. So I used color pencils and white glitter, or was it embossing powder? I don't know, to add some sparkle to the snowman accessories and the snow hills. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time.